Maupay kids, this is a Hot Wheels, and Daddy says it shoots darts. Let's see what it does. Hey Maupay kids, and welcome to our episode. We have the Hot Wheels track builder system. We like it because you can put it in with the other track wheel, the other track builder system. And also at the same time, this is for ages 6 to 12. Mommy likes this a lot because number one, it doesn't require batteries. Number two, manual launch, so there's no noise. They can just quietly play. As quietly as this one can play. It's better if you guys have heard the motorized ones, how loud they can be. For 15 minutes it's good, but when they're running about an hour, you get a headache. You need something. So we're gonna do this. Daddy says it's a launcher. It has a rocket launcher, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see if the car that comes with it looks really, really awesome. We'll see if it works. Ready to go, Daddy?
Let's go.
All right. Mommy needs, oh, okay, that'll work. Easy to open.
One more.
One more?
One more, right
open here. Haha. Woohoo!
Whoa, look at all those parts.
I kind of get a headache also.
I get a headache from you, Kuya.
Oh,
here you go, Casey. All right, Daddy.
Yeah. I get a headache also.
Ready to get building?
Yeah.
Let's get building.
Casey, you get to hold on to that. You get the important job.
Hi Maupay kids, we got it all built and we're gonna see if we can get the rocket to launch. So we'll see if we got it right and we'll give it a push. You wanna give me some help here, Bobby?
No, Casey's gonna join you.
All set up. All right, Casey, let's do it.
Powers combined.
Powers combined, Casey. Can you help me? And let's go. Oh, almost. Oh, you put it up that way, that's gonna make it go a different way. Let's try it out. You go, oh, good job, Casey. He's ready to go. Okay, Casey, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Go.
Oh, nice. So that dropped the track. So now let's see what happens. Leave the track alone, Bubby. And, oop, I got that in backwards. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Almost. Didn't quite get the rocket to launch. Okay. You ready?
Ready.
Let's.
No.
All right, up here. Ready? Oh, we got it! Third time was a charm.
We can't launch the rocket if you reset it.
All right, ready, go. That was a good one, Casey. He's gonna be able to do it himself here. Look at that. That's good. That's really good. Do it again. Wow, this says 6 and up, but I think a 1-year-old can do it. Keep going.
All right. You want the A-team of Of course.
Right. Now.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do,
Alright, let's do the A team of cars.
You like this one,
Careful,
don't you,
Kuya.
Casey?
Keep it on. There we go. Good job.
Even a 1-year-old can do this. Okay, go. Nice and hard.
Try these two, Kuya.
I'll try to drop.
You're gonna try to. Alright,
Got it.
wait for Casey.
I'm gonna try to get him.
You're gonna try to get him while he's launching. Go! Oh,
Oh.
go!
Wait. Two.
Oh!
He almost got you. Alright, Casey. Alright. Launch it, Casey, launch it. Launch it.
I'll watch these. I tried to launch him off the track.
Okay, try. Oh!
Alright. Same blue car. See if they'll launch.
Okay. Alright, Casey, you try first. Can you try it? Launch that car. Nice and hard. Good job. Are you gonna try it upside down? Let's try it the right way first. Alright, Daddy will try. Alright, you guys ready? Oh, Casey's gonna do it. Alright. Go. Hit it hard.
I'll try to launch over you guys.
Alright, ready?
Set, go.
Go.
Set, go.
Whoa! That was a good rocket launch. Crazy.
Oh.
Wanna try, Casey?
Did this go?
Try.
Give it to me.
Good job.
Let's see if you guys can launch a rocket over Mommy.
You think we can launch it over your mommy? Let's find out.
Kuya,
Your blue bar.
here's your car, sir.
You gonna try to launch it? Alright.
Alright, guys.
Alright, let's take
See if
these.
you can launch a rocket over Mommy. I'm
Alright.
gonna close my eyes and cover it for safety reasons.
Come on over here, Bubby.
High
You
wheels.
can do the launch right over here. Right over here. You ready? Hit that as hard as you can.
Well, I want to switch
You
over
wanna switch cars? Okay.
to this one.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ooh, you're getting the black one. Alright, Bobby.
That's good.
Hit it good and hard. Oh!
Okay, another car.
Almost.
Try
Let's go
another
with-
car.
Try the blue one. Nice and hard. Whoa, almost! Alright, Casey, hold on, Casey.
Alright, you guys. You guys ready to hit the launcher and have the
Launch over here.
launch over me?
Let's try it.
Alright.
Let's do
Mommy's 5 foot plus, so. And the plus is important. Alright, I'm gonna cover my eyes so I don't get hit, okay?
Alright, our powers combined. Come on, Casey, help us. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh,
You
we
did
got
it!
her!
You got me like right here in the pinky. That'll work.
I need some water.
Casey loved this one.
Okay, ready to go?
Yep.
You bending me like this.
Okay, Kuya, stop being silly. Let's get
Watch Casey here.
Let's get ready to business, okay? Take care of business? Yeah, take care of business. Take care of business? 1, 2. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Whenever you're ready, Kuya.
I'm ready.
Alright. Alright, Maupay Kid, that concludes our... Alright, Maupay Kids, that takes care of our episode today. We did the track builder, and it's the one with the launcher with the rocket on it. We'll give you descriptions down below. And we asked you guys if you like our channel. Yes?
Yeah. Hit the subscribe button.
So hit the subscribe button. It's down below though. It's not over there on the side. Down below, where it says the M and the K, and it says subscribe on it. Go ahead and subscribe to like our channel. Oh, and Kuya disappears. And I tickle him until you guys subscribe. So hurry up.
Thank you for watching our show.
Thank you. Ring the bell so it gives you notification. Also, comment below what track builder do you guys like or have at home? What's your favorite cars? And also, let's get building here. We got track builders. We got a lot more to show you guys in the future. So keep on watching and give us a comment. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye. This has been your favorite, huh, Casey?
All right.
Yeah, you like this one. Go ahead.
I'll keep playing.
Try it again. Whoa!
So ready to film it?
Let's try it first.
Try it. Go.
Ready?
Oh,
Nope,
man.
not enough. More velocity, Dad. Try number 1.
Number 1.
Try number 2. Whoa!
Oh! It launched.